very special truck from Cars of Dreams. We have a 2003 Chevrolet SSR pace car for the American Le Mans Series. This is an actual pace car. This has $80,000 worth of work done to it to make it an actual pace car. It paced 4 Nextel races, including Motegi, Japan, 3 IndyCar races, and the American Le Mans Series races. Also, Woodward Dream Cruise. These were very special when they were first built. And then having this one highly modified, this was sold at our auction years ago directly from General Motors Heritage Center. So this is a very special truck, and these were rare in their own right. Then with all the work that has been done on this, has a little over 31,000 miles on it, so you know it runs and drives, it paced all those races. A great piece of automotive history. Best part, this is coming out of Cars of Dreams, coming to our Palm Beach auction 18th through the 20th at no reserve. Want a piece of American pace car history? This is your opportunity. Register to bid and we'll see you in Palm Beach.